Hello, viewers. This is Ruben from the College of Business Administration, Marketing and Communications Department. Today, we are doing another segment of Meet Your Professor. I'm with a special guest here. Hello, Professor. What's your name?
My name is Lauren Zettel.
Okay. What classes do you teach?
I teach ENT 221, which is Marketing Strategies for Entrepreneurs, and ENT 301, which is Innovation and Entrepreneurship.
Okay. And how long have you been at Central Michigan University?
3 years, just starting my fourth year.
Okay. And why did you choose CMU?
The main reason I chose CMU was the strong commitment to entrepreneurship education. Our department is unique in that we offer a major, a minor, and an undergraduate certificate, all in entrepreneurship. And the entrepreneurship department is also home to the Isabella Bank Institute for Entrepreneurship, which gives students hands-on opportunities to really launch their own businesses and gives them great access to resources and valuable mentorship. So this dedication to entrepreneurship education is the main reason that I'm here. I'm also a CMU alum, so coming back to campus was like coming home.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
And what advice do you have for students?
My advice for students is that they will get out of their college experience what they put into it. So yes, it's important that they invest time in the classroom, learning those technical skills that they'll need in the future. But I also encourage them to get involved outside of the classroom, making connections and getting involved in extracurricular activities that will help them to get some of those soft skills that are really important in the professional world.
Oh, so you're performing good. And what is your favorite classroom moment?
My favorite classroom moment usually comes at the end of the semester when the students pitch their ideas for a new product concept, which is something that they've been working on all semester. So I get to see them start with just the seed of an idea and develop that throughout the course of the semester and turn it into something that really meets an important consumer need. Our students are really creative, so to observe and get to be part of that development process is just really rewarding.
Okay. Thank you so much, Professor.
Thanks for having me.
Okay.